Hi everyone, let's start with our today's session, and in this session we will continue with the line integral examples only. Previously we did total 8 examples of line integrals, and right now also we are moving this method only. So here I have given ninth example that if f bar equals to x square y I plus 2yz j plus 3z square xk, then evaluate integration f dot dr between the points a0, 0, 0 and b1, 2, 3 along the straight line joining a and b. Okay, this one is little bit different example. Okay, check the equation. Here it's given f bar as usual. You have to find f dot dr, and 2 points are given here. Okay, and along the straight line of joining A and B. Okay, here ऑलरेडी आपको बता दिया है कि आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन बनानी है और उसमें वो पॉइंट सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, राइट? बिकॉज here there is no given any kind of extra equations, extra curve, right? Like y equals to x square, y square equals to 4ax, or y equals to x, or circle, etc. Here there is no given any kind of equation, so here you have to make, okay, and with the help of these equations and with these points. Okay, so first step will be as it is, as we are considering position vector. So r will be position vector and r will be xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore we can write dr that I dx plus j dy plus k dz. Now second step it will be changed now, because हम लोग second step में पहले find कर रहे थे f dot dr. Okay, so you can also write this one also as I have written the third one. You can write here also. f dot dr में क्या करना है, दोनों का multiplication करो and just give the simplification, यानी कि you can do till here. Okay, now next, अभी आपको एक कर्व चाहिए, उसके लिए you have to use this along the straight line, यानी कि you have to write the equation of this line. So we know all these equations, that x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus 1 1, and same for the z equals to t. These equations we already learned in our past, right? Now x1 and x2, these both points are given. This one x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, right? Sorry, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2 and z2. Okay, so just putting these both the points in these equations and comparing equals to with t. So x equals to t, y equals to 2t and z equals to 3t. Now we got the values of x, y, z. See guys, either we need these x, y, z, these three components, or we need any kind of curve. This from these both, one is compulsory to given. Okay, अगर दोनों में से एक दिया होगा, then and only then you can go. So this one is compulsory to give, right? And if it's not given, then you have to make like this way, as we made here right now. So at the point now 0, 0, 0, you can find t. Same here, you can put the point 1, 2, 3, and at that point you can also find the values of t. So that is 0 and the 1. Now f dot dr, f put करो, dr put करो, दोनों का multiplication. Okay. Now in place of x, y, z, I am putting the values of x, y, and z. Okay. So put करो and give the simplification. Now next, substituting in these all the values in the f dot dr and integrating between the limits. हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे already limits find कर दी है, that is 0 and the 1. So putting this equation and put the limits, give the integration, and you can find its solution. One, evaluate f dot dr. It means you have to find line integral only where f bar is given and say is the parametric curve. See here already it's given x equals to t, y equals to t square, and z equals to t cube, right? Between the points 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. See here already it's given, so no need to find another equations. Okay, so in the first step apply the position vector r bar, that is xy plus yj plus zk, and just find there its derivative yani ki dr, that I dx plus j dy plus k dz. Okay, now xyz is given, so that you can find its derivative also, so that you can substitute into the function f dot dr. So I'm just writing this first one and putting this both the points one by one, that 0 0 0, and after then 1 y 1 and z 1. Okay, so you can get the value 0 and 1. Now you can find f dot dr, do the multiplication of these both, and in place of x y z now you can write x equals to t, y equals to t square, and z equals to t cube. Okay, so just, and also as well as dx dy and dz. So just give the simplification to f dot dr, and now substituting these all the values yani ki f dot dr we can substitute. So putting these all the values in f dot dr and integration between the limits 0 to 1. So just put all the values, give the simplification, you will get its final answer. Now I have given, find the value of the line integral integration f of r dr. It means you have to find here f dot dr only, where f bar is given. See, there is given another notation, so may in exam can come minus y comma minus xy. This is the notation of vector function, vector components. Okay, where says the unit circle in first quadrant, you can see that here it's given a circle. It means you have to write its parametric equations, because there is not given any kind of curve or any kind of values of x, y and z. Okay, so starting with the first step, let L equals to r bar equals to xi plus yj, and so that you can find dr, and it will be I dx plus j dy. Okay, now second step f dot dr, f यहाँ पे लिखा है मैंने, y लिखा है, दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, give the simplification. Now in the third step, path of integration will be applied. So the path of integration is the circle, and here it's a given x circle, that x square plus y square equals to 1. Okay, so as I said first, here there is not given any kind of curve or any kind of components of x y z, right? So from the equation of circle only you have to apply its parametric equations. So I'm writing the parametric equations of the circle, that x equals to r cos and x equals, sorry, y equals to r sin, where circle having a radius 1, right? So now just applying dx in dy and putting this in the f dot dr. So directly I have put these all the values here, you can see that, and just do the integration of this both yani ki sine square. It means you have to first convert into the normal form. So it will be 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, and here it's given sin theta into the cos square. So you can apply cos square as it is, and sin theta yani ki it's a derivative of cos theta, right? So I have written here that is a d by d theta of cos theta. So it will be removed now, so it will be cos 3 upon 3. This one I have used the rule, so d theta as it is, and now just do the integration, putting all the values, upper limits minus lower limit, and this one you will get the final answer. And let me clarify, this one example is very important, so please note that, continue with your practice. Now see the next one example. Here I am giving you one example for the practice, that find f dot dr, where f bar equals to z comma x comma y. This one, as I said in the 11th example, this one is another notation of the vector components. Okay, so z comma x comma y, that you can rewrite the equations like zi plus xj plus yk. Okay, and the vector r bar is given, and from that you have to write x, y and z, and also it's given a limit 0 to 2 pi. So just do the practice with yourself. If you have any doubt, then you can call me or WhatsApp me anytime. Still there are remaining so many examples, but we will do in our next session now. Thank you.